Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got Miss Raegan here with me as usual, and we are going to unbox my newest Grove order.
Do this one first.
Okay, so if you want to see what I got from Grove, then just keep watching. So the first thing I got is this glass hand soap bottle. I have a few of these, but I needed a new one for my bathroom. And the pump quit working on my old one. It wasn't from Grove.
Oh yes,
so
you need a new one.
Yeah. So it's just a glass soap dispenser bottle. It's taped up pretty good, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that one open. And the next thing I got is this Grove Collaborative Gel Hand Soap. This is lavender and thyme. It's approximately 3 refills for one of these glass jars, I'm assuming. No synthetic dyes, fragrances are triclosan, and moisturizes with aloe vera. Raegan's trying to open this one for me. You hear that? Thank you, darling. Okay, the next thing I got is this Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Tub and Towel. It says it removes soap scum and hard water stains, and this is the lavender scent. I made this for free. It's just a pack of the Grove Seedling by Grove Ultra Soft Tissues, 100% sustainable bamboo and sugar cane tissues. And this is an 8-pack, 12 2-ply sheets per pack. They're nice to like put in your purse or in your car, or diaper bag when you're on the go. Next thing I got is from Caldrea. I wanted to try some more stuff from Caldrea. I've tried a lot of the Mrs. Meyer stuff, but I wanted to try something new and some different scents, so I did get some of the Caldrea stuff. So this is their aromatherapeutic linen and room spray. This is the sea salt neroli, and this is 16 fluid ounces. I got is another one from Caldrea, and this is their hand soap in the same scent. Grove sent me this travel size hand sanitizer gel in the blood orange and with coconut oil in it, and I have one of these that my mom gave me, and these smell so good. But again, you can put this in your purse or in your car or diaper bag. Great for travel. Next is another one by Caldrea. This is their Countertop Spray. Now you can clean with this or dust with this or just like wipe off tables. It does not disinfect, so you know, you may not want to use it on your bathrooms or kitchen counters, but like just to clean stuff off and make it look good and smell good. Next two things I got are again from Caldrea, the same scent, the sea salt neroli. This is their fabric softener and laundry detergent. Okay, and the last two things I got were for baby. This is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Baby Blossom Scented Laundry Detergent. And this is just for baby clothes.
Where's the other baby stuff?
These are the only ones I got from them. And then I also got the Burt's Bees Dusting Powder. This is 100% natural and talc free. No parabens.
I got the big one.
Yep. No parabens, phthalates, petroleum, or SLS.
Ugh, so heavy.
So that is everything for this Grove order. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you would like to order from Grove or get your own Grove subscription, I will leave my link down below. And yeah, it helps me out. I get a small commission, and you get a discount or free gift, so it works out for both of us. And I absolutely love Grove. I order all my cleaning supplies from them. It's amazing, and I don't have to go to the store. I don't have to run out. It's always available, and yeah, I just love it so much. Thanks again for watching. I love you, and Jesus loves you too. God bless you all. Bye.